Good morning. We're going to take you on a tour of the Grand Design Solitude ST390RK. Let's go.
Now let's get into some of the specifics. The Solitude ST390RK has a listed empty weight of 14,562 pounds approximate, a hitch weight of approximately 2,794 pounds, a GVWR of 16,800 pounds, a total length of 41 feet 5 inches, a height of 13 feet 5 inches, and an 81-gallon freshwater tank, 106 gallons of gray water, and 53 gallons of black water. It also has an optional desk. You'd pull out one of the sofas to replace it with a desk. It also has an optional outside kitchen. Now let's catch up with Deena on the inside and see what the inside of the RV looks like.
I'm excited. Ooh, this is a 2023, I do believe, right, Danny?
Yes, it is.
Look at, are you sure we need a toy hauler? Because I'm just saying, wow. Look at this space. But we would never use 3 couches unless we each had our own, and Rodeo even got one.
Yeah, she would have her own.
Let's start off in the master bedroom. Okay, this is really nice. I love the lighter wood. I love the less bulky window treatments. Very nice. This is the same as what we have closet-wise, and love the shoe racks, the built-in shoe racks. Also, look at this. They added 3 shelves in the corner. Remember, honey, I said that would be a great shelf project for you to do.
I don't remember that part.
2 years. It's still on your list 2 years later, but it's okay. I know you're a busy man. Here's a washer and dryer. Nice, or lots of great storage. That's pretty. Okay, the headboard is a little bit less bulky. That's nice. The bed should still have storage under it. Oh, this is different. Okay. So now you have drawers. The drawers are kind of nice.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. That's nice storage space. And it goes back. Oh, wow, does it go back? I could never get back that far. You would have to come find me and help me out. Okay, this solid wall is nice for decorating, which is always nice. Love the double window right here. Oh, I didn't lift this up. Dresser is the same size. The 3 drawers, which don't look very big, roomy, but when you go to put things in them, they are so roomy. And this is nice to have for anything less use, because I would never want to clear my stuff off every day to get to it. The double windows here are nice. Here's your bathroom. Look how big this bathroom is. Wow. Okay, so you have a double vanity. Double cabinet space underneath. Wow. That's a lot of room.
Now we are at a lazy days on the lot. We don't have any power, so it is a little dark in here.
Huge mirror, and you have your double medicine cabinets. It's nice. Very nice. And then all these drawers. Really nice. Shower is the same size, same fixture, same wood bench is nice. And is that a skylight?
Looks like it, yep.
Why isn't it clear?
Or a place for one. Yeah. Looks like it might be possibly an option.
Cabinet space in here? Oh yeah, that's a lot. Nice. Very spacious. Okay, then you come down here. This is nice, more cabinets. This is like a little closet, like a mini closet. That'd be good for like your jackets and windbreakers and stuff like that. That could be your winter closet. This is all cabinet space, hon. This is nice. Very nice storage.
Yeah, these are nice.
Lots of storage.
And we'll look at this other one too. There's your control panel.
Yep. And then your breaker panels down on the bottom, I believe.
Yep, looks like it.
Love the larger size fireplace. Love the shiplap
Oh, that is
behind
nice.
it. Yeah, that's nice. And the mantle's nice. Yeah, the shiplap is really, it adds a lot actually. Look at all this living space. We would never use this unless each of us had our own couch. You, me, rodeo. Oh, nice, comfy. Take a break. Take a power nap. Okay, I gotta go. Look at all this storage up here. This is really great storage. That's a lot of storage. Really, really nice. Love the lower bulk, the less bulking window treatments. Look at this huge window here. Then you go upstairs. Are you sure we need a toy hauler? Are you really sure?
This might have been a mistake.
Wow. Look at the bench if you want to just sit up here in the mornings and have coffee or watch TV from here. Wow, this is really nice. Look at all this counter space, honey. Look. Residential size microwave. Was that good? More cabinet space. Look at all that. Crazy. Storage. Wow. More storage. Boy, we
I
could
don't know
hide.
what to do with all this
We
storage.
could hide bodies in here. I think we've been watching a little too much Yellowstone. What's your first clue? Nice drawers.
Train
Man.
station.
Yeah, train station. Look at all these. Look at all this, honey. Really nice. Wow. These would be good for cups.
You have vent controls up there by your left hand.
Oh yeah. And then down here. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Nice. Yep, really nice. Definitely has a lot of storage space, that's for sure. This feels to me like a home, like a condo or something. Like it's that roomy to me. I get that feel. It's like really spacious. Lots of storage. And a drawer. Oh, big drawer.
That's huge.
It's good for your pots and pans. Residential size refrigerator. Wow. Now this feels like it's on. It's so hot in here that actually feels cool. And then the freezer is actually a double drawer freezer, which is kind of nice. Ours is just one. Nice 4-burner gas range. Nice. You got so much storage.
Yeah, we're not used to this, are we?
Wow. Ours has a lot of great storage, but this is, holy cow, storage on steroids. Look at this. I mean, would you really need any more? Full-time RVing even. These drawers are so nice, they pull out like that. Three big ones. So nice. So what do you guys think? You like the Solitude ST390RK? I think I could get used to it. What do you think, honey?
It's nice.
It is really nice.
It's really nice.
Very well done. Again, this is a 2023 ST390RK Solitude. Grand Design Solitude ST390RK. We hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks so much for watching.